Right, bend over. It's time for your examination. That's what I call an easy oven. I mean, that's a piece of cake. I'm going to cut these little seals off because she doesn't need them. This pointless really. And clean inside there. So today's job is a hoover. And this hoover is going to get cleaned using Oven Mate for part of the job. So I'm going to paint it on the glass and I'll show you how it works. So just scoosh some of the glass and then paint it on with a brush. You get a brush with it. I'd use a bigger one. IKEA, 99 pence. And just paint the gel on. Don't put too much on. Just enough to cover it. And you can see it's working already because the brush has gone, well, mucky. You just wash it off with cold water. And you can see that the racks, they're not bad, but they need to clean. Now, lots of big oven cleaning companies have dip tanks, and that's fine. I have one too, but for a small job like this, I don't need one. Just put the racks in, add boiling hot water, and I've got a special solution here I pour into it. And it's a commercial decarbonizer, and it breaks down all the food deposits. So that's my solution in the tray. And there you go, that's boiling hot water and my decarbonizer, and it's melting off all the burnt on food. So it's been soaking for about 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes. Boiling hot water, steel wool, gloves on, and see how it's there, and just run it across. I'm not even pushing hard. Just brush it over. So the water and the decarbonizer is working really well together. I mean, really, there's nothing to it. I'm not even pushing hard. See that black bit there? Gone. It's really that easy. Easy. So, using my special gel again, just pour some in the middle of the oven. And then just brush on and down the sides. So that's the gel applied. Just turn the oven to fan assisted and then choose a temperature of about 60 degrees centigrade. So what I need to do, you can see it's working. Shut the door and let it cook. Okay, so the oven's been on for about 15-20 minutes. Add water and just slowly take it off. You can see that it's doing its job. Just water in combination and just go in nice and soft. We do not go in heavy-handed when it comes to ovens. So this is the oven glass. It's had Oven Mate on it, so just soften it with some water. And with a flat edge razor blade, I'm not even pushing hard here, and the blade does all the work. But it's going to be a clean blade, and it removes all those burnt on deposits. The gel has done that. Okay, so that's been worked all the water into the oven, and with a really wet cloth, just lay it on top, and just take all the yuck off, all the grease, mix with the water, and just work at it with a damp cloth and take it all off. And then with a dry cloth, polish the inside. It's actually quite easy. So, rinse out the cloth, and just take all the brown stuff off. And you can see that it's really shining inside the oven. You can see the light hitting it, which means all the grease is off. Clean an oven and clean the racks are really easy. The main part of the job of doing an oven is actually cleaning the glass. That's the tricky bit. We're going to have special cloths for that, and I carry those. So from time to time we come across ovens that I haven't seen for a long time, and this is a Hoover oven. And I was wondering how to get the door off, so I worked it out. Like that. And on the other side, do that. And then what you do is lift the door, and it comes out, just like that. Now, this oven's unusual. Underneath here, there's lots of grease and burnt on food that's solidified underneath. Now, normally I don't do this, but I've got time today. So I'm going to take the oven out, actually pull it out. Now, I say I don't normally do this, but in this case I do, because there's loads of food and yuck under here. And even with all my ingenuity with the cloth underneath, I can't get it out. So let's take the oven out. Good. That's all the grease out underneath. It was all like gravy. So that's been completely cleaned. I'm happy with that. There you go. Looks pretty good actually. That looks pretty good. Very happy with that.